Any questions? Anybody got any jokes? Okay, I'll be correcting questions, question checks. I haven't done much lately, but I had them all graded as of last week. So remember to keep working on WebAssign. The dates will change. We finished one test. You'll hear about the time for the second test, and then we'll go from there. There are automatic extensions available in WebAssign. So if you need more time to finish your WebAssigns, you can take an automatic extension. So we're going to stop recording, and I'll see you guys around. You'll hear about a lecture tomorrow, and what we'll have for a lecture tomorrow, you'll get emails.